Congratulations!
Hypothetically speaking with you, hear me out, talking sentimental. I got a tongue tied summer fever. Baby, I'm just asking, would you stay a while, a little longer? I'll show you out. I know you wanna. Let's take our time until the morning. Don't blame me for falling so hard for you, darling. Stay a while, a little longer. I'll show you out. I know you wanna. Let's take our time until the morning. Don't blame me for falling so hard for you, darling. Let's stay a while, a little longer. I'll show you out. I know you wanna. Let's take our time until the morning. Don't blame me for falling so hard for you, darling.
Naalala ko yung unang date natin sa SMR. Nakaupo tayo sa bench doing TikToks. And sinabi ko sa'yo na gusto kitang ligawan. Alam mo ba na sa lahat ng nasabihan ko before, sa'yo lang ako kinabahan. Kinabahan ako kasi naisip ko simula nung araw na yun, bawat decision ko would be a step closer or a step farther from you na ayaw ko mangyari. Kasi nasa Malaysia ka pa lang, kahit hindi pa kita nakikita, mahal na kita. But you reassured me. And in that time, I knew it was gonna be forever.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na.
Habang walang ito ginawa, ay kagabi ko lang siya ginawa. Tapos, kanina ko lang siya print.
Naiyak ako! Matulog ba?
Our relationship wasn't easy. Hindi dahil mahirap ang mahalin. Kasi I believe sobrang dali. Sobrang natural. And kahit 2 years pa lang tayo, the struggles we faced were real. Time really tested us. And kaya pala ganun was because it wanted us to prove early how willing we are to choose each other.
Ikaw ang katiyakan ko, hindi na ako bibitaw. Dahil ikaw lang kasayaw. Kung meron mang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw.
Lagi mong tatandaan, pipiliin kita araw-araw. Kahit gaano pa kadaming problema ang iba ko sa atin ng mundo. Alam kong pag ikaw yung kasama ko, it might not always be easy, but it would always be worth it.
Pinapangako ko na kailanman, hindi mo haharapin ang mundo mag-isa. Pinapangako ko na kakampi mo ako sa lahat ng problema. Kahawak ka na mahigpit sa mga araw na masaya. Kahawak ka ng mas mahigpit sa araw na
Di magmamadali ka na ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti.
I am privileged to support Ken. Love the woman that you are today, and the wife you'll be tomorrow, and the person you hope to become. I love far more than I could express in this words. So I vow to you to show in love, Pinky's promises, and years of happiness. I vow to always appreciate you and to never let a day go by without remembering how lucky I am that we have each other.
bringing joy to my life. Na kahit minsan napipikon na ako sa kakulitan mo. Yung kakulitan mo pa rin yung source of happiness ko. And kahit minsan, ikaw lang yung dahilan ng problema ko. You're also the solution to all my problems. Doon pa lang alam ko nang hindi ako magsasawa sa'yo.
Ikaw lang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Dahil ikaw, hindi na ako.
Kaya from this day, I vow to be more patient with you. I vow to be stronger for you. And I vow to always choose you every day. I love you.
Ikaw ay dilaw.